It's a fairly busy Computex 2026 for Acer this year. Among the devices, Acer announced three new Iconia Duo tablets running on Android, designed for professionals looking for creativity and productivity design on the go. The Iconia Duo S14 is the top of the line with 14.2-inch OLED screen with 2.8K resolution. It supports 3.2 aspect ratio. A MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chipset is paired with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage with microSD card support for 1 terabyte. It features two-way display port in addition to two USB-C ports that allows the tablet to be used as an external screen. It comes with a quad speaker system, 20-watt USB PD charging, and a 10,000 mAh battery. The Duo S12 sits below the S14 but offers the same OLED screen with 3.2 aspect ratio, 120Hz refresh rate, the smaller 12.12-inch screen and one USB port. Battery life is smaller at 8,000 mAh and settles for a less powerful Dimensity 7400 SoC. The third offering is the Iconia D12, which is still 12.12 inches but has a LCD panel with 2K resolution. It's a budget alternative, so it comes with MediaTek Helio G99 with 8GB of RAM. It has the same 8,000 mAh battery as the S12.